Welcome to another video. My name is Jenny, and today we're going to be doing a DIY at-home manicure. What you're going to need is some sugar, a little bit of lemon juice, some pure Castile soap, a bowl for your hands, a towel obviously, and a file for your nails, a cuticle pusher, your polish, and a nail buffer. So the first step is you're going to put some Castile soap in the bottom of your bowl. I like to use one with a nice citrus scent. And then we're going to be putting in some hot water and just have some nice soapy water here for your hands. But first, we're going to cut and file the nails. I had already cut mine, but we're going to go ahead and file those down. I go over the sides to shape the nail, and then I round out the tops. They do recommend that you file only in one direction, but usually I just don't have the patience for that. And then once you're all done, you're going to go ahead and buff out the edges of the nail with the buffing block, as well as going over the whole nail itself. This just kind of creates a rough base for the nail polish to adhere better to. I really love these buffing blocks because you cut your nails, but it just makes them really smooth around the edges, even if you're not doing nail polish or anything. No sharp edges. And then you're going to let your hands soak for a bit. It's best if you have a bowl that you can fit your whole hands in, because it's just nice to do a nice warm hand soak. But for the purposes of this video, that's what I did. Gonna add a little bit of lemon juice into that sugar, enough to make a paste. Maybe a little bit too much lemon juice here, but whatever consistency you prefer. You're just gonna be rubbing it into your hands and using it as a scrub. Get a little bit of ASMR in here as well. But the sugar and the lemon juice do an amazing job at getting rid of calluses and any roughness on your hands. It's just a really softening type of exfoliating scrub. This felt wonderful on all of those cat scratches on my hands as well, so just be aware of that. After that, I washed my hands in the sink and then tidied up my workstation. You want to prevent any liquids or waters getting into the nail polish and interacting with them. And then you should have nice, clean, soft hands. And moving on to the cuticle pusher. Now, some people like to clip their cuticles back. Personally, in my opinion, that's not healthy. They're there for a reason. So I just like to push mine back and get them out of the way for a nice, clean application of nail polish. And then the cuticles will just kind of settle back into place, but still be out of the way over the next couple of days. And after pushing back the cuticles, I take a Q-tip and a bit of oil and rub that all around the skin of the nail. That way if I get nail polish on it, it's easy to remove. It's kind of like a natural alternative to liquid latex. Just helps keep the nail polish from sticking to your skin. Then I remembered that it was kind of difficult to open the nail polish bottles with oily fingertips, so I went ahead and opened the bottles and continued to put the oil around the skin of the nails, and then went ahead with my first coat of nail polish. And this was actually a really simple everyday type of look, but I wanted to do an accent nail with some glitter. And you can actually see this look on my Instagram account if you give me a follow at Jinx2109, or if you're already following me. There was a holiday picture that I did this nail look for. I am using a water-based nail polish, which are fantastic because they don't smell at all. They're very good for the environment, and you do have to set them with heat. So if you've seen my hair videos, you know I'm in desperate need of a real hair dryer, but honestly the heat gun works just as well. You just have to be careful. Then after doing however many coats of nail polish you need, I went ahead and finished it off with a top coat. And that's it. Really simple, really easy DIY home manicure. And this is me trying to be cute and saying thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more natural health and beauty videos. Thank you so much. And lastly, go ahead and take a picture or a screenshot of this page right here as a really easy reminder of how to make a little time for yourself and give yourself an at-home manicure. Also, if you need a list of what you need, then you can go back to the beginning of the video and take a screenshot of that as well.